You're welcome to Momentous Images. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VO3 via Opal to generate more than 8 seconds video clip. You can generate up to 1 minute, 2 minutes depending on your needs. Okay, and this video comes with no watermark. You can extend it, and at the same time you can add the voice over, which I'm talking about your own voice for character consistency. All of this is embedded in this video. The voiceover I'm talking about in terms of automated dialogue replacement ODR, where we manually sync our own voice, because that is the challenges with the VO3 videos, inconsistency in terms of the voice. So we want to use our own voice. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of this. Okay, please, before the end of the tutorial, if you find this video handy, please kindly help to subscribe, like it, and I indeed appreciate it. Quickly dive into it. You need VPN to access this page I'm about to show you. So in my own case, I use Planet VPN on this opal.google.com. So sign in into it. So this is my account. Okay, I'm going to log in. I'm going to sign in here. So here is the interface. So you come to this new here. Alright. So in this page, I'm going to paste prompts. So you can get that from my Telegram channel. Logging into my Telegram channel to get this prompt. So you can see here, change this over to your own name. So copy everything there and then paste it on that opal.google. So paste it here and enter. So once you enter, it's going to bring up this page with your name. So this is my own name, okay. So I'm going to press here, enter, to bring in where I'm going to paste my prompts. Okay. So this is the prompts I want to use. A plain bright Lagos. So here I'm going to click here to, depending on your prompts, you click this enter button. Alright. So you wait for it to generate. It won't take much of the time. You can also come to this side here to preview it with the prompt. So it's generating. Wait for it patiently. It won't take much time. It's generating now. The video is ready. So you can come to this app to enlarge it into this app here. So let me play it.
Every morning gives you a new chance to show who you are. Now go back, confident,
so after that you can
fresh.
Come there and download it into your laptop or into your phone. So I'm using mobile app here. So I've downloaded it. You also go back there again and do, so you refresh it, clicking this arrow here to refresh. So the same process also, I'm going to paste my prompts. So I'm going to copy the prompts I want to use. I have some prompts I want to use. So this the prompts I want to use. If you need this prompt, I can send it to you. I can paste that in my Telegram channel. So this the prompt. I'm just showing you for how to just use this Opal to generate or to extend to have a longer video duration. No, VO3 is just 8 seconds. So with this trick you can generate more than 8 seconds video, or by extending it. So this is what I'm going to show you. You see it yourself. Just follow this video appropriately. I'm going to paste the prompt, the second one here, and click this button, enter. So it's wait for it to generate. It will not take up to 1 minute before it will generate. So this is the prompt. It's generating. You wait for it. So here is it. This is the second video. You can see.
Before I step out, I make sure freshness works with me.
So you also download this, and this is where the trick comes in to play. So you download this, and after downloading this you go to page which I'm going to show you now, the site. I've downloaded this now, so I'm going to extend this video that you just downloaded, this video extractor. So this is the video I want to extend. Look at it here. You come to this last page here. Come to this last one. So make sure it's on the last video clip.
Before I step out, I make sure freshness walks with me.
So to this last one here. So after that, yes. So extract. Just wait for it to extract into 10 places. So you click on the first one here, you download it, okay. So you have your frame ready. So you come here again, you refresh it, that arrow button. So pick your picture that you extracted, the last frame. Then here click this enter button, where you can paste your prompt that you want to animate. So this is the prompts of the second picture. This this one. So wait for it generating. I click on this app to get it wider. So
Momentous
this is the
keeps me
video.
ready for anything the city brings.
Can you see
Get
how we
Momentous spray
extended?
and get fresh.
Okay, so here is it. We download it. So we bring audio videos together into one clip. So I've come to any of your app that you want to use to edit. So in my own case, I'm using UCut. You can download this from my Telegram channel as well, without watermark. So these are my 3 videos clips.
Every
Imagine
morning
them
gives
into
you a
one.
new chance to show
So
who
here
you
is it.
are. Now confident, focused, and fresh.
You can see how clear and sharp it is. There is no any form of watermark.
Before I step out, I
Then
make sure
this is it,
freshness
and the
walks with me.
continuation flawlessly.
Momentous keeps me
Can see
ready
how
for
the second
anything
one
the city
started.
brings. Get
Can you
Momentous
see?
spray and get fresh.
You will notice a consistency in terms of the voice of the character. So that is the problem with VO3. But here I'm going to show you a method called ADR, automated dialogue replacement, whereby you manually sync your voice, record your voice separately and sync it with the voice of the character. Okay, and thereby you mute the character voice and let your own voice at the top to speak. Do you understand? Then after that, you put a background sound or music to play at the background to just complement the video.
Every morning
Do you
gives
get
you
it?
a new chance to show who you
So
are.
after all of this is the outcome.
Confident, focused, and fresh.
See the voice.
Before I
This is
step
my own
out,
voice.
I make sure freshness work with me.
Very consistent.
Momentous keeps me ready for anything the city brings. Get Momentous spray and get fresh.
So we have come to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find this video handy, kindly help to subscribe and like it. I would so much appreciate it. Thank you very much. More videos are coming, more video, in fact a lot of them are coming. Please don't just miss out. I would not want you to miss out. Please subscribe and please follow us and turn off the notification bell. Thank you.